Hello, welcome back to my channel Kitchen Technicians. I'm very happy to have you. Today we are making one interesting meal, sandwich. We are making two different recipes of the sandwich. I love sandwich, you love sandwich, everybody loves sandwich. So come along with me and let's make this meal that everybody loves. Do not forget to like and subscribe. To make our egg mayo sandwich recipe, we need 3 eggs, 1 cup chopped cabbage, half cup grated cucumber, 1/4 cup chopped green bell pepper, half cup chopped tomatoes, 1/4 cup spring onions, half cup chopped onions. Now remember, this is an egg mayo recipe, so we definitely need 3 tablespoonfuls of mayonnaise. We need bread. We also need margarine, salt, and a few spices like turmeric, black pepper, and powdered red chili pepper. To begin this delicious sandwich, let's heat our skillet and proceed to spread margarine on one side of our bread. We will put it in our heated skillet to toast a bit. Now spread margarine on the other side and turn it over to toast. Remember to do this on low heat. No one wants to eat burnt toast, right? Do this for the rest of your bread slices. Next, we are going to put 1 tablespoon of margarine in our heated skillet and allow the margarine to melt. We will break our eggs into the hot melted margarine and stir till the egg solidifies. Now let's proceed to put a bit of salt in and continue stirring. Make sure to reduce the heat and let it cook for a bit. Our red chili pepper, black pepper, and turmeric goes in at this point. Continue stirring for 1 minute. Now we will put in our chopped cabbage and continue stirring. Our spring onions, chopped onions will go in now. Let's stir it thoroughly. Then we'll put in a bit of salt to taste. You can taste it before doing this. Stir it for a little while and turn off the heat. We will now pour it in a mixing bowl. The remaining vegetables, chopped green bell pepper, tomatoes, and cucumber will now join the other ingredients in the mixing bowl. I think I need to transfer the veggies into a bigger bowl so it can contain our sandwich spread and not spill over. Please do drop your comments as we will love hearing from you. Now is the time to mix in our mayonnaise. You may use the quantity that pleases you. Mix it very well. Make sure it is well incorporated. We will now proceed to construct our sandwich. Let's place our bread on a plate. Now we will go ahead and put a generous amount of spread on it. Spread it out properly and seal it off with a second bread. Now this spread is enough for a family of 4, maybe 5. Everybody can have one delicious sandwich, right? Next, we will press the sandwich firmly and slice it into halves like this. Look at that. Doesn't it look beautiful? Colorful too, and sure is tasty. You should try it. It is finger licking. For our minced meat and cheese recipe, please click on the link above. You will love it just as you loved this one. See you soon. Bye.